Today we have a look at the Midland Alan 78 Plus Multi, which is straight out of the box. I plugged the mic in. The first thing now is to set it to UK FM because that's what I want to use today, and that's done by pressing that button at the same time and switching on the set. So I'll do that and get back to you. Here we are. So you just turn that to whichever one we want. UK. Press the AM FM button again, and here we are on the UK FM channels. Sorry about that.
Thank you very much. I don't want to be in you.
Don't interfere with that conversation. So here we have the 10 channels up button, which can be very handy. No, that's the 10 channel up. That's the channel 9 on, off. So the quick up, quick down. AM FM, which won't make any difference on the UK channels, only on the other channels, and the scan. The squelch, on and off, channel changer. All in all, very nice little rig, well built. Apparently they perform very well. I've had a few good reports from it. Nice and small, ideal for the car, van, or even at home, where I've got this at the moment. Excellent little CB, looks good, feels good. Any questions? Leave me a message and I'll get back to you. Well, that's it for today, and I'll catch you again. Bye now.